Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, 2025. You're in the live trading room. Glad you're here. Hope you all had a lovely evening. Let's go here. These are yesterday's trades. That call trade that I took ended up giving back 210 on that. But was able to get into some other puts right after giving up that call trade and making that back. So real pleased about that. Ended up with 7 trades plus 73. Um, and weekly total of 3410 so far. But the market went way down from there throughout the day. As you can see, it just kept going down and down and down. And then, of course, the last half hour or so, it popped back up. And so SPY closed at 497.46, currently setting at 493.58. So we do not have a gap play as of this morning or as of right now, but lots of movement, lots of price movement overnight. Let's go ahead and come over here. We've already got 10,500,000 in on the underlying, and markets are somewhat negative, not tremendously, not like they have been for the last 4 days. So let me just switch something over here on my option chain real quick, turn that to 14. And we are trading the 9th. Today is the 9th, so trading the 9th today. Looks like they're going to be somewhat expensive today as well, but we'll be starting probably at the money today. So 493 on the call side, 494 on the put side, and we will trade today's expiration till noon, then switch over to tomorrow's. And Keith, of course, will tell you what he's going to be trading this week. So, and speaking of Keith, let's say good morning to Keith. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, another crazy day yesterday, but a good day for trading for us. I'm glad you could bounce back from that call trade, Tim. Um, this morning we had mortgage applications were up a bit this week at 7 o'clock this morning. We will have a wholesale inventories report coming out at 10 o'clock, so we could get a pop there. We'll have one of the Fed members speaking at 12:30 today. We'll have a 10-year bond note at 1 o'clock. And the big one, the FOMC minutes, will come out at 2 o'clock today. Tomorrow, before the market opens, we'll have the consumer price index, and Friday, before the market opens, the producer price index, which give the Feds a look at the inflation numbers. And I will be trading Friday's expiration till about noon today. Then I'll move on to next Friday's expiration.
Okay.
And that's it from here.
Okay. Very good, sir. Thank you.
Yep.
Uh, like I said, lots of pre-market volume in this morning, so we'll see what goes on. We got a little less than a minute to go before we start. See if I can get my broader markets back up. All right. We've got 30 seconds before we start.
By the way, the pre-market was down pretty strong this morning and has bounced back in the last hour.
Yeah. Yeah, it has. All
We
right.
actually had a gap play at that point in time too, but it came back and crossed back over.
Mm-hmm. All right. Stand by. Here we go. In five, four, three, two, one. And we're in. Opening with almost there's 11 million on the pre-market. Wow. And price just shooting up right off the bat. And coming back down. Again, having problems getting into my Schwab account. Keith, can you tell me what the broader markets are doing?
Yep, the Dow's down 360, Nasdaq is up $9, actually $17 now, and S&P is down 21 and
Okay.
11.6 million underlying trading.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
So we'll see what today has for us in store. If we're going to continue selling off today, we had that dead cat bounce yesterday till about 10 a.m. And then it was sell off until the last half hour of the market when it caught a little bounce on the half hour during the golden hour, as it's known. All right, I'm going to head over to whew, things are expensive today. Wow. 495 on the call side. Actually, I'm going to go to the 494 on the call side. All right, probably starting to see a little bit of resistance here. And it's popping back up. It's trying to reverse here a little bit. Got 13,200,000 already in on the underlying. So it's going to be another high volume day.
Trying to get up through yesterday's close.
Okay.
Hey Tim, quick questions I had.
Yeah.
So when you say like, buy the SPY at 494 call side and what should be the price? It's a mid of that current price or you call out on the price side? How much we should enter is like because
Well,
that suppose is going is 9.10. So we buy it at the mid or the ask price
you
or
can try it at the mid price. I usually just go with the price that is there.
okay.
That's a great question, by the way. Thank you for asking.
Some long wicks on that Heikin-Aussie chart.
Mm-hmm. All right, both our MACDs are in the call bias position. Up to 14,700,000 traded on the underlying. I'm going to switch over to the put side to the 497 on the put side. All this trading we've had over the last 4 days has really inflated prices.
Right, I'm sorry, I'm the new one, just trying to understand the thing. So the first one which you said to 494 as a call side, are we still holding or we put the stop loss and 10% and sell it?
Oh, well, we shouldn't be in a call trade right now.
Oh, okay. So that is sold, you saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I would hold on a little bit. It's moving back up the call side. Wow. Strong push up here going on. Wow. Well, if you're still in that trade, you can probably take nice profit right now.
That's because I got into a put. And for some reason, it got into a lot more contracts than I wanted to.
Oh, on the put?
Yeah, naturally.
All right, guys, looking at the call side, at the 496 on the call side, stand by. I'm going to enter this 496 in at 904. Up to 944. I'm going to go ahead and take profit right here at 946. 904 to 946. $939. And it is still climbing. Wow.
Just can't get in.
All right, I'm going to go back. Need to readjust something on my option chain. Okay. I'm going to go to the 499 on the call side, 499 strike call. Getting a little bit of reversal here. Had a crazy Ivan there. So price beginning to retreat here a little bit. So I'm going to go over to the put side to the 502 on the put side. All right, stand by. All right, I'm going to enter this 502 in at 942.
Him in so I just put I'm in work. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. That's fine now.
Okay. All right, stand by to jump out of this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take profit here at $10. 942 to 10.
Tim,
Yes.
quick question. So then when I'm on my Mac. So then when I enter it, it's in, I mean, working. So now it didn't fill, order didn't fill. So now how can I cancel from there?
Okay, so what you'll do is you'll go over on your option chain, see where there's a little flag there on the left side. You just simply right click and cancel
Right click with my mouse.
with your mouse. Yeah, right click and you should be able to cancel that, but you'll be on that flag.
So I should go to option chain, or I mean in my PC I used to do on the top, that one say working order.
Yeah,
So I used to right click on there and then cancel it. But
you can do it.
this time I tried, but this cancel didn't come.
Okay, are you in a trade right now or is it yet to fill?
No. It's already filled, and then I'm out now.
Okay.
This time I'm fine, but
Okay, yeah, whenever that happens, you can just go to on your option chain. There's a little flag that comes up that says that's green. I forget what it says. It's about to fill. You can right click on that flag and just cancel from there.
okay. Thanks.
Well, Tim, I did put a supply zone in there at the
Oh.
top, and I put a demand zone at the bottom of that first 5-minute candle.
Okay. I think we can get this supply zone put in here at the top. Price still selling off slightly, but running into some support.
Team drawing zone. So then how do you do? So then how do you do? I mean, draw zone. I mean, do you make right click there, or
You right click and well, let me get this one finished off and then I'll
okay.
check.
I'm trying to do right click, but it's not doing anything.
Okay.
I think it would be better if we talk about drawing and stuff like that when things
Sure.
slow down.
Sure.
Yeah.
Come on down.
Come on, you sluggish thing. All right, price trying to get through the supply zone. And getting through the supply zone. So we're going to keep an eye on the 498 on the call side, 498 strike call.
Keith, are you still on that put?
Yes, I am.
Let's see if this reacts a little faster. I got rid of some old drawings on here. Hopefully this will react a little faster. All right, price still climbing. Put my 100,000 line back in. 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go. We are up to 23,900,000, about to hit 24. Price broke through the supply zone. We're really high on our MACD. I can now see MACD up to 1.8 positive, up to 4.1 in our 5-minute MACD. Price beginning to come down again.
About time.
Yeah, right.
Come on, get down there. And stay down there.
So we've got 2 trades in, both positive. Both our MACDs are extremely high. Really like to see a reset on at least the 1 minute Heikenasi MACD and preferably both the 5 minute. Bring that down into realistic range because it's just pressing luck right now. So Dow is up by 180, 176. NAS is up by 231. S&P up by 38. So we've got a positive market, not overwhelmingly positive, but positive. Well, semi-overwhelming. Looks like every minute's been above 100,000 since we've opened. We've got a little over 2 minutes, a little over 3 minutes till the pop at the top. $25,100,000 traded on the underlying. Come on down.
Tried to, and it got kicked back.
Mm.
Come on, down, 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 down. Got a minute to the pop.
Okay, here comes the pop. Boom, we're in the pop.
Come on, time to reverse.
So our Hakanasi did go into the put position just for 1 minute and is popped back above the control line. But we know that this initial pop typically doesn't stay. All right, guys, let's go over to the 501 on the call side. 501. And stand by. Just keep an eye on it. Come on, turn around. Right about this time yesterday, I got burned on that call trade. It's like we're running into some resistance. You'll notice that the wicks are not as high on each of the last four candles. Of course, then it just breaks out. All right, I'm going to go back to the put side to the 504 on the put side. Just going to keep an eye on it here.
Tim, I had moved that supply zone up till to the prior agreements, just about where it is now.
Okay.
And but it looks like we may be getting a new one even up higher.
All right. Get that put in. All right. Anyway, 50. I'm going to go to the 502 on the put side. Stand by. Should have already been in this one. All right. All right, I'm going to enter this 502 2. And waiting to get filled, not filling me. I'm going to cancel this and try again.
Come on, keep coming down. That's it. Come on down.
So getting into some consolidation here. Man, my system is just really sluggish today. Price reversing back up.
Come on, get back down.
Oh, come on.
Just about a doji on that last candle.
Mhm.
That's it. Come on down.
Still looking at the 502 on the put side. This should break through on the bottom here. Got our 5 minute about to cross, 5 minute MACD about to cross under. There we go.
$502 seems a little high for you on your put.
Yeah.
Come on down.
Are you in the ballpark,
No, I got quite a ways to go.
Dave? Okay.
Probably has to drop another $4 for me to get out.
Oh,
Because I got in at $14 and it's about $12 now.
oh,
Yeah. I normally would try to double down, but I already opened more contracts than I had planned to on it.
mm-hmm. I'm gonna move the 500 on the put side, guys. Stand by. Fell out of the bottom here.
Keith, are you in a put or call?
I'm in a put from back quite a ways. I got in just before it took off and skyrocketed high. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down.
Dow is now down 19, NASDAQ 179, S&P's up 15. So mixed broader markets right now. We've got 31,670,000 traded on the underlying.
Hey, Tim, would you adjust your 5-minute chart so it's more in view? Thank you. Thanks.
Sure.
Give it some room to come down some more.
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Come on, tick down. Down. That's not down. Yeah. Here we go. Come on down. That's it. Come on down. Don't be shy.
All right. Looking at the 500 still on the put side, stand by.
Come on, back down. Come on.
Price coming up to the minor zone. Yeah, we're just in consolidation right now.
Here we go. Get on down there.
Oh, there we go.
Come on. Come on. There we go.
All right, breaking on through, breaking down. See if we can get through VWAP.
Come on. Come on now. Boy. Well, this is frustrating today. To get some nice red candles, then it skyrockets on the green one.
Mm-hmm. Still at the 502 on, or still looking at the 502 on the put side. Okay, stand by at the 502. I'm going to enter this 502 in at 765.
Come on down.
I stand by to take profit. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here at 781. So 3 trades, all positive, plus 116.
Great.
One thing about these higher numbers, they do move faster. All right, price making a pretty good push down here. Got both our MACDs are in the put bias position. See if this move can break through and continue down. Put a demand zone here on the bottom. Ooh, nice.
Minus 3 times he's gotten down here. It's just gotten kicked back. Just doesn't want to go down.
Staying in this little range, it keeps rotating around between this minor zone and the demand zone. It's going to break through at one point.
Hopefully on the downside.
Mm-hmm. All right, it is 1 hour into the session. We've got 36,388,000 in on the underlying. Dow is up by 58, Nas up by 210, S&P up by 23.
Oh, come on.
All right, I'm going to go over to the 502 again. Has broken through the minor zone. That's not good news. Oh, today we are not going to have a second session today due to a scheduling conflict. I'm not going to be able to come back this afternoon. My apologies in advance. Strong move up here, heading up toward the supply zone. Let's see if it bounces off the supply zone. Come on. Five-minute MACD is about to cross over again. May not get there. Hey guys, excuse me for a moment. Okay, back. Getting a nice reversal here. I'm going to go back to the 502 on the put side, 502 strike put. All right. Yeah. Oops. Yep, price still dropping just slowly. Lots of little pullbacks in here. Makes it very difficult to get into a trade. Keep coming down. I'm going to head over to the 497 on the call side. 497 strike call. Stand by on this 497 on the call side. Yeah, price still wants to drop. All right, still looking at that 497 on the call side. Stand by. I'm going to enter this 497 in at 635. Stand by to take some profit here. I'm going to go ahead and take profit here at 662. I was just waiting for that to reverse. And it finally did. Wow, up to 675 now. Could have stayed in this one a bit longer. $16.636. 4. Six. So that is 4 trades, all positive, up 144. Wow, that just came right on, roaring right back down, didn't it? right down to VWAP. Come on down. Just went hit 40 million on the underlying. Hey, Ashim, if you can, stay on for a few minutes after we finish the session, and I'll show you how to draw.
Tim, you talking about learning how to draw those supply and demand zones?
Yeah.
Some point, unfortunately, I got somebody coming to the house at 11, but some point I need to know how to do that. I've tried it and I can't do like you and Keith do.
Okay. No worries. Are you on a Mac or a PC?
PC.
Okay.
I
No
actually been
worries.
trading with real money the last couple of days, so I'm up almost $2. I'm happy.
Nice.
I'm not over trading like you told me.
Good. Wow, price is just diving here. All right, let's head over to the put side. Got a definite breakout to the bottom side here. We'll go over to the 498 on the put side, 498. All right, 490. I'm sorry, I'm going to go to the 497 on the put side, 497, unless this is kicking back up. That was quite a push down. I don't think we've had any minutes below 100,000 since the top. Nope. Nope. Down here, getting into a little consolidation. May have to head back over to the call side, to the 493 on the call side. See if this is going to continue to rise. Come on, get back in there. Looks like we may be bouncing along down here for a bit. All right, looks like we're in a bit of consolidation now after that nice drop.
I'm about 35 cents from break even on that now.
Nice. It's going to get there, Keith.
It might. Come on, down further.
Just a reminder, folks, no second session today. All right, guys, we are top of the hour. We've got 45 million under the underlying. Let's go ahead and call it a morning. So 4 trades up 144 today. Hope you had good trading today. We got good price movement again today, real high volume. So we'll see if this is the beginning of a sell-off like it was yesterday. Anyway, that is it for me. I think Ashim is gone, so I'll get a hold of him and show him how to draw in the zones. He just changed over from a PC to a Mac, so he's kind of getting used to that. Anyway, that's it. Keith, thank you very much, sir.
Okay. All right. Have a good day, everybody.
And we'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.